Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton. Thank you very much for joining me. Well, to start off with, the silver price action continues on its bullish run since rebounding off that $16 level. And now, as it challenges $16.90, I am looking up towards a further target of $17.30.40 and reassess from there. Any pullback on the day should find support around the mid 16.5 level. What is likely to support this case, as you can see, gold has now broken through that 38 resistance this morning, or just about a couple of minutes ago, and now looks on towards a target of 12.46. In light of the current technical pattern, we could even see a further rally in gold and look towards a target of 12.52. Any weakness now should find support around 12.34. And beneath that, coming in at 12.29. Well, the Australian dollar is still attempting to rally, with the outlook now contesting the 50 resistance. Although we did see a short impulse to the upside overnight, it did fail the challenge. And as we approach this 74.89 level, I do expect to see the bears retaliate. Also to note, the RBA monetary policy minutes didn't really say much outside warning on the risks associated with the build-up of the Australian household debt. Today we have the Westpac Consumer Sentiment and Wage Price Index, which was previously came in at 0.5 and expected to see the forecast to remain. The US dollar index took a tumble overnight after comments from President Donald Trump. He saying that he may have shared sensitive information with the Russians at a White House meeting over last week. However, Trump defended his comments by Twitter by saying that he has the absolute right to share facts about terrorism with Russia. The euro overnight breaks above the 110.60.70 level and now looks towards this 111.20 target. If this pattern continues, then we could actually see further high, but I actually would sit out and be neutral above 111.20. Purely for the fact is the market upside target is very vague until it hits around that 112.5 level, so I'd rather wait and see how it performs. Support on the day comes in now at 110.40 to 109.75. The story for dollar yen has broken down further, and as you can see from a technical point, is now taken out that support at 112.65 and could look down towards an objective of 111.65.80 from the actual break that's just happened. Towards the upside, resistance is coming in now at 113.20 and above there at 113.70. On the Great British Pound, as you can see here, it's still going sideways since that 400 point rally that was triggered by Theresa May. However, we did get a whipsaw price action, as you can see on the hourly overnight, briefly to the top side and to the downside, which was probably triggered from the UK inflation data, which reported its highest level since 2013 in September. The expectations for the UK CPI data was forecasted at 2.6 but coming at 2.7, which was seen as the Bank of England's projection. So all eyes now will be on the bank to see, the central bank, to see what actually comes out from there in terms of any rate hike talk. So keep an eye on that. Well, that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you have a great day ahead.